How to turn off Facebook likes and comments. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so let's go ahead and start with the comments first. Go ahead and open up Facebook, and let me quickly just post a random thing right here so we can see how we can turn off comments on it. Say for example this post right here. We post it, and let me go to the post. So this is the post that I have just posted. So how can I turn off the comments? It's easy. Just click on the three dots at the top right of the post, then click on who can comment on your post, and then select the last option that says profiles and pages you mentioned and click on done. Now if you saw, I didn't mention any profile or pages, and I set the who can comment only to profiles and pages I mentioned, which is no one, meaning that people and no one would be able to comment on this post right here. So that was for the first section, how to turn off Facebook likes, comments. Now let's go ahead and see how to turn off the likes. Once you are on this page right here, click on the profile picture at the top right, then navigate to the settings, and here scroll down to the preferences section and click on reaction preferences. Now as you can see here, it tells you to hide number of reactions. This includes the likes and everything. Now with Facebook, you cannot like prevent people um, from reacting to a post, but you can hide those reactions so no one will be able to see that those reaction has been hidden. And as you can see here, you have two options. The first one is on posts from others, and the second one is to hide the reactions on your post, which is what we want. So go ahead and click on the toggle next to it to turn it on, and by doing that the reactions will be hidden. So that was it for this video. That's how you can hide and turn off the likes and comments on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.